Hi Stampers, this is Lisa with Queen Bee Creations. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm here today with a little quick tip. I'm here to find out if you've ever had issues with stamping a sentiment or something and maybe missing a little part of it, or maybe you're trying to stamp something in black and it's not coming out as dark as you'd like. I have a solution for you. I would like to introduce you to Stampin' Up's stamp positioning tool. This is the Stamparatus. This is a stamp positioning tool that they have come out with that's a little bit better, I think, than the competition. It comes with two plates, and then the plates come out off of these hinges and can be flipped over. So there's technically four sides that we can use to be stamping. So if we have something, say a flower that has a base and then a layer over it and then a layer over the top of that, this would be good. The stamp positioning tool will help you make your images darker, and it will help you get your entire sentiment in the same spot. What you would want to do is, because this particular one is a red rubber stamp, we're not going to use this interior foam, but we are going to use these magnets on the back. Now you'll notice my magnets have a little bit of duct tape around them. That's on purpose. It gives me something to grab hold of to pull them off of the surface. You also want to be clear that you are not getting them too close to one another, because if they go together and snap, they could break, and we don't want them to break. They are very strong. I'm going to set my cardstock in my Stamparatus with the corner butted up into there. And then I'm going to use my magnets to hold my cardstock in place. I'm going to take my stamp off of my block, and I'm going to position it on my card where I want it to go. Then I'm just going to simply close the lid, and that's going to pick up my stamp. Now you'll notice the lid has grids in it. And so you can check to make sure that your sentiment is straight by making sure that it is on the grid. See how mine, the top of enjoy your day, is right along a grid line? Then one of the things we do is we just stick a stamp case underneath of it. That will make it flat. Then I'm going to come in and I'm going to ink this up. Now I'm going to do a crummy job inking on purpose because I want to show you our solution. If I came in and I stamped that and I thought, it's not really right. I don't like the R not being really dark or the ampersand, and I want to fix that. What I can do is I can come back and re-ink, and then it will stamp again in exactly the same point, allowing me to fill in the part that didn't fill in before. This works especially well when we are working with things that are stamped in black, such as our little penguin here. Now for the penguin, I'm going to need to use that black insert because these are photopolymer. So I'm going to set that in there, and then I'm going to lay down my cardstock, and then I'm going to put down my magnets. I'm going to take my little slope here, and I'm going to position it where I want it, and then I'm going to close and pick it up, and there's my slope. Where this gets really fun is when we flip this over, and then I'm going to position my penguin where I want him to go. And then I'm picking this up with the other side of the plate. I don't know if you noticed, but my stamp is here on this side and then here on this side. What this allows me to do is not only stamp this one time, but I can make this in multiples by being able to flip my plate over here to the different image I want stamped on my card. This is great for assembly line stamping. Now I'm going to try to do a good job inking, and then I'm going to come down and press hard on it. And it's an okay job. I mean, and that would probably pass, but I like them good and dark. And so what I'm going to do is come in again and give it some more ink. Ooh, and now look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So if you have issues with getting your images stamped dark enough, or your sentiment missing a little bit of a piece, the Stamparatus might just be the tool for you. Thanks. Bye.